Crystals can form when a supersaturated liquid that contains a dissolved mineral cools. In this activity, a supersaturated solution was made using hot water and borax, a soft crystal. As the solution cools, the water molecules come closer together again, causing the forming borax crystals to cling to the pipe cleaner.